Binance Crypto Investment Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to Binance's crypto investment platform are in the description. Let's get right into the review. Binance is one of the largest and most widely used cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, known for its vast selection of digital assets and advanced trading features. Offering over 350 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a variety of altcoins, Binance is ideal for both beginner and advanced investors. The platform has a sleek, user-friendly interface for easy navigation, with a more advanced version, Binance Pro, for seasoned traders who need in-depth charting and analysis tools. One of Binance's standout features is its low fees. Trading fees start at just 0.1% per transaction, and users can reduce these fees by holding and using Binance Coin, BNB, the platform's native token. Binance also offers a wide range of investment options, from spot trading to futures contracts, margin trading, staking, and yield farming. For those looking for passive income, Binance's staking options allow users to earn rewards by holding certain cryptocurrencies on the platform. Binance also supports a variety of deposit and withdrawal options, including bank transfers, credit debit cards, and even PayPal for some regions. The platform has strong security measures, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, insurance on digital assets, and cold storage, ensuring your funds are protected. While Binance offers a robust mobile app for on-the-go trading, beginners may find the platform's vast array of options a bit overwhelming at first, though there are plenty of tutorials and guides available. Binance is perfect for both novice investors who want to get started with crypto and more experienced traders who are looking for low fees and diverse investment options. The platform offers everything from basic buying and selling to more complex features like staking and margin trading, catering to all types of crypto users. Overall, Binance is a powerful and versatile platform for cryptocurrency investment. If you're looking to dive into crypto trading or investing, check out the links in the description to explore what Binance has to offer and see if it aligns with your investment goals.